Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 56 how to comment on a photo on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, go to the search box, type in computer science videos, or just computer science, go to the hashtag, go to a photo, click on this, go to the comment section, and then write very nice thumbs up post, and the comment has now been posted under the photo. Go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.